Signori, buonasera, speciale per Sorrento e dintorni dallo studio di Amadeus musicali Glauco Mare con Gigi Farelli alla chitarra.
Uno dei più grandi chitarristi d'Italia, del mondo.
Unforgettable, that's what you are. Unforgettable, and you're fine, like a sunderland, and with me, I will follow you, then things to me, never before, and someone be more unforgettable in every way, and forevermore. That's how you say. That's why, darling, it's incredible. That's somehow so unforgettable. Things that I mean, unforgettable too. Unforgettable in every way, and forevermore. That's how you say. That's why, darling, it's incredible. And someone so unforgettable. Things that I've been unforgettable too. Grazie maestro, fantastico.
Glauco Mare, Gigi Farelli.
Wonderful voice.